So you're doing this apprenticeship, which is awesome, but are you kind of wondering what's next? Is the plan to leap into something totally new, or is it to climb that ladder right where you are? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. We're going to figure out how to use this apprenticeship as a launchpad for your career.
Okay, first things first, let's bust a huge myth right out of the gate. When you hear the word apprentice, be honest, you're picturing a teenager, right? Fresh out of school? Well, get a load of this. 77%, over 3/4 of apprentices are adults. So yeah, this isn't just for kids. This is a serious power move for grown-ups looking to get ahead.
All right, so here's our roadmap for today. We've just busted that big myth. Next, we'll get into the two main paths, the change versus the climb. Then we'll cover how to handle each one, and I'll wrap it up with a super simple 3-step game plan you can actually use. Sound good? Let's do it.
So yeah, let's just really hammer this point home. Apprenticeships are basically a secret weapon for your career no matter how old you are. They're designed to work whether you're 18 or 48.
And let's be real for a second. Thinking about changing your whole career, it's scary. It can feel like you're about to jump off a cliff with no idea what's below. But an apprenticeship? Think of it like a bridge. It's solid, it's structured, and it gets you safely to the other side.
Which brings us to the big crossroads, the fundamental question. Are you here to change or to climb? Are you looking to jump feet first into a totally new industry, or are you focused on leveling up right where you are? The brilliant news is an apprenticeship has got your back either way.
Okay, so here are the two big options side by side. You've got the career switch on one side. That's the big leap, going from retail to coding or something. Then on the other, you've got the promotion climb. That's all about getting better at what you do, grabbing those senior skills, and moving up. Just take a look. Which one of these feels more like you right now?
First up, let's talk to the career leapers. This section is for all of you who are feeling brave and ready for a completely new adventure.
So, why is an apprenticeship the absolute best way to make this huge switch? Well, for starters, you actually earn money while you learn. Hello! No massive student debt, thank you very much. Plus, you're not just reading textbooks. You're on the ground floor, getting real, practical experience and meeting people in your new field. It's pretty much the ultimate career cheat code.
But hey, what if you actually like your job? What if you like your company and you just want to get to that next level? Let's talk about climbing that ladder. Doing a higher level apprenticeship is like putting up a giant neon sign for your boss that says, "I am ready for more responsibility." And this isn't just you hoping they'll notice. There's official guidance out there that actually encourages employers to give you a raise or a promotion after you complete one. It is the clearest way to show you're serious about moving up.
Okay, enough of the what and why. Let's get down to the how. I'm going to give you a concrete 3-step game plan that you can use no matter if you're a switcher or a climber.
Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Step 1, be a detective. Get on the Find an Apprenticeships website and just see what's out there. Step 2, give your CV a makeover. Don't just list what you did, show off your transferable skills like they're your superpowers. And step 3, be smart with your money. If you're switching careers, your pay might dip for a bit, so it's a good idea to have a little buffer saved up.
And hey, a quick note on pay. Don't sell yourself short. As an adult, you bring so much more to the table than just the stuff you learn in the course. You've got life experience, maturity, problem-solving skills. That's valuable. Employers know this, and they're often willing to pay more for it.
All right, we've gone through a ton of info, but now the most important part. This needs to be a conversation, so I'm turning the microphone over to you. Let's start talking about this. So, let's start here. In your head right now, are you on team career switch or are you on team promotion climb? And what's the reason? What's pushing you one way or the other?
Okay, next question. I want you to dig deep for a second. What is one skill, your own personal superpower, that you already have that would be super valuable in a new role or a promotion? Could be anything.
All right, let's get real. What's the biggest thing that's worrying you about this? The biggest question bouncing around in your head. Come on, let's get it out in the open because I guarantee someone else in here is thinking the exact same thing.
So, let's end with this. If an apprenticeship is that bridge to get you where you want to go, what's the very first, tiniest step you can take to start building it? Not next month, not next week. What's one little thing you can do today to start building your bridge?